What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drones for hunting. I have made this list based on effective still resolution, connectivity technology, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Autel Robotics Evo 2640T Dual Thermal. Once you try tracking with the picture-in-picture mode, you'll understand why the Evo 2640T Dual Thermal is such a good purchase. This innovative mode allows you to overlay thermal imaging in a small square on top of the regular camera's image. It is an ideal way to orient yourself while scanning the horizon and takes advantage of the controller's large 3.26-inch OLED screen. Zoom in up to 4x with no loss. The camera records in 8K and 48MP photos, so capture that natural beauty while you're up there to remember. Sometimes you need to move around or need your attention somewhere else, but if you're tailing a buck, you won't want to take your eyes off the screen. Evo 2640T Dual Thermal's Dynamic Track 2.0 can track targets intelligently on its own while using 360 degrees obstacle avoidance to give you a quick break. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4. Compared to many hexacopters and octocopters, the Phantom 4 has dual compass modules and dual IMU units, making it more reliable. This drone is ideal for wildlife photography and cinematography, as well as for making your hunting trips unforgettable. This drone combines mobility, zoom, and stability to take the best cinematic footage of animals from a distance while being so quiet as not to startle the animals. Pictures may be taken with just a few movements, utilizing gesture mode, eliminating the need for the remote controller. The Phantom 4 Pro uses advanced computer vision technology to take commands via gestures. When the subject lifts their arms in front of the camera, the aircraft detects this movement and locks on, centering the subject in the frame. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The drone is powerful since it has a longer flight time, a long range, and a top speed of 45 miles per hour, allowing you to get to more areas in less time. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is the best drone for video shooting for hunting since it is the best for hunting for videography, aerial films, and cinematography. The Mavic 2 line of drones is still the only one on the market with all-direction, obstacle avoidance sensors, making them the safest in the sky. My drone flies safely with obstacle avoidance technology, and I can fly confidently. It makes my flight so much easier, and my work so much easier. It has a range of 18 kilometers, and a flight time of 31 minutes. Fantastic photographs and films may be taken with the 1/2.3 CMOS camera, with an effective pixel count of 12 million. This drone weighs 907 g and has a battery capacity of 3,850 mAh, making it the best drone for business purposes. Number 4. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is the ultimate workhorse for skilled commercial drone pilots. The Inspire 2 is sealed with the power you'll need to get the job done, whether you're using drones for filmmaking or other commercial uses. So, get your hands on this cutting-edge device, as it is the best worth buying drone for hunting. The DJI Inspire 2 comes equipped with a 5K RAW camera, obstacle avoidance, many layers of redundancy in the flight controller and batteries, and the ability to capture up to 5.2K video in Cinema DNG RAW utilizing the Apple ProRes codec. The DJI Inspire 2 is the ideal drone for cinematic shots since it has professional-grade features at an affordable price. The versatile and stunning drone is so fun and easy to fly. A second pilot's camera, also known as an FPV camera, has been installed in the aircraft's nose to ensure that the pilot always has a forward view of the aircraft's travel path. Obstacle avoidance sensors are also installed on the front, bottom, and top of the drone to ensure it detects any obstacles in its path. Number 5. Parrot Anafi. The Parrot Anafi is a little drone with a 4 km range that's perfect for anyone who wants to capture amazing aerial footage without running out of battery life because it can fly for up to 25 minutes. These traits together make it the best drone for hunting for tracking. This quadcopter is an excellent alternative for anyone looking for a simple-to-fly quadcopter with a long range. This drone fits conveniently into a compact bag and has a flying time of up to 25 minutes, enough time to record outstanding aerial films and photographs. With a 4 kilometers flight range, you can explore and document everything and anything around you without worrying about the battery dying. This quadcopter has 21 high-performance computational cores for real-time image processing and 4 vision sensors, allowing you to fly in any direction at speeds up to 34 miles per hour. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you later.